All right, we have maybe about 60 seconds left. Once the music kicks in, we're going to have to wrap up the show.
Oh, 60 seconds. Oh, okay, cool.
What, last question here, just really quickly before the music kicks on. What are you buying right now?
Cool, I just bought a property yesterday,
Yep.
and then I'm going to buy and sell. I'm going to sell it to a friend who wants to, we were able to buy a property at a deep discount.
Yep.
And fix it up and sell it to them so they have a little margin. And then I'm also going to be selectively buying multi-units and sell my single-family residencies.
Wonderful. Very cool. Okay, the house that you bought on Thursday, what is that? Or the property, is it a single family?
Single-family residency in Hoffman Heights. It's a Kearns special.
Nice. All right. Well, Matt, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. You guys have been listening to the show, Utah Home Sweet Home. I am your host, Yoshi Shiraki. This is K-Talk Radio, 1640 AM. I hope everybody out there stays safe and healthy.
Thank you, and make some money.
Absolutely. Take care, everyone.